my wonderful, amazing people. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. My wonderful people, we don't carry another ogboge come back again. Another hot news. Another nyash don still open again. So na wetin we carry come today for una. As una know na wetin we dey do for this channel. Na comments we dey go through comments. We dey bring out the comments come out for una. Una see comments wey people drop for each video. Is our work. Oh yes, today we dey go Elkaegbe commenters club. No be small. I twirl for Aproko the Godfather. You too much. How you dey get this video break come out? Aproko the Godfather, how you take get this video carry come out? You too much. We twirl for you. You be really Godfather. We need to vote you. We need to vote you. Oh, you need that. You need the election. You'll be the president. This news, as I dey talk, my body dey sweet me because some people nyash don dey open. Some people nyash don dey open. No, my people. Una know na as this channel dey, we dey go through comment. And before we go talk comments where we wan go today, before we will tell una the comments, the video wey we for wan read comment today, we will tell una the title and we will also tell una the video. The video wey we wan go through the comment section today na about this is our work. Now about this Precious Meg and Baba Uwaila Dumezedo. So we can't see this post for Elkaegbe commenters club. We twirl for now. We don't know as una take bring this video come out, but we respect una. Una they do better work. Yes, una they do good work. If Aproko be like this to dey expose some secrets, if for too good now, not be to do wetin they not send you. This one na to expose. She expose some mede. My people. So the writer for the video say, Precious Meg, I salute you. Precious Meg and her godfather, aka Dumezedo, na Aproko we dey do. Not be so more. So we will go through the comment section. This video now where Precious Meg for the romance Dumezedo for club. So they go party. Precious Meg come dey relele Dumezedo for the party. So camera can catch that place. So we'll go through the comment section. Where make us dey here. Now comment section make us dey here. So we'll go through the comment section. Mona hear wetin people talk about this short video. Wetin Precious Meg and Dumezedo Now wetin we see we dey talk. Oh, we know they talk wetin we no see, my people. As Precious Meg take dey relele Dumezedo for party. So let's see wetin our people drop as comments. I trust my commenters people now. I trust them. Mo see wetin they have to say. So the first comment wey we dey take for here today say, you get mind though. They really say Ashewo no get shame. Person husband no be small. Person husband. Wetin me believe for this matter say she no believe say camera go catch her. Camera will fit cut that place come out. She just be one do and hide, or na just normal. You know say if two people don't too dey close, two people don't too dey close, maybe bestie of a thing, they fit come dey do some kind thing. Some people will think say maybe that they hide, they do something which they not hide, they do anything. If you just take her as a father, like maybe if her father they dance now, she feel romance her father for back, touch her father. because he's a father to her. Now wetin me believe, my people, more na talk wetin una believe about this comment when this person drop. As we dey edit this video, we go dey put the comment for the screen so that una go dey see wetin we dey read, may not be say we dey lie for the comment. Na comment wey people drop na we dey talk about for this our channel. So let's go to the next comment. Say chai, Baba J boy is going to do kpelepe keke kpokpokpokpo. The people will they drop the comments for the screen so that una go see the comments where people for right. May not be saying now we can't they lie, we not they lie. Now comments when we see that we they talk comment. The one where we go feel read, go read that. If we still make mistake as we they drop her for the screen, una go still correct me. And I make my email dey my about, and I go try to still put my WhatsApp number in case una get any comment section one and one more go read. Una go still let us know for our WhatsApp, our email, una fit email us. So let's go to the next. So the next comment what would they take for you today? Say, my happiness today is that the world is seeing who Precious Meg is today. She sleep with people's husbands. Not be we talk am o, na commenters na they talk am. Say you dey sleep with people husbands. Challenge them. Anything under the trouser. That is why she gave birth for a white and black man. What a shame. My dear commenters, we never need to just conclude like that. Say because Asokagbe write this post, he say na godfather and goddaughter. You know na godfather and goddaughter, if you know if you carry and go bed, it just still be like godfather and goddaughter just still be like papa and pikin. As papa no fit carry pikin go bed. Now that one me get to say my viewers so still they watch this video, wetin una think about this comment? Say maybe this woman they always sleep with people papa. E no go fit just dey sleep with people papa. E go come say na e bestie person, you know, e bestie person, e boss person. So e go come say na e boss person, e boss godfather, na him wan still go do tie with, according to Sarah. He say tie. He go say na him boss person wants to go do tie with. So me I no believe say she reason all those things for mind. Maybe her mind, she fit get free mind for there. Say e just dey touch the man, no be say she reason and say we go bed later or we go do tie. But people, wetin una think about this comment? I will still drop the comment for the screen as we dey edit, so that una go drop una comment for each comment, or una go add una own opinion wetin una think. So let's go to the next comment, my people. So the next comment what would they take today? Say after this party na duduvaga na duduvaga thing o. You can put emoji of laugh. Oh my baby. So the next comment say, no wonder she and Monica na padi, na Precious Meg ashewo. So my people, what do you think about all this comments? My people, this comment where this person try say, no wonder she and Monica na padi, na Precious Meg ashewo. My people, this comments are not supportive, because this life you fit make friends with person wey be akuna and you no go be akuna. You fit make friend with person wey dey jale, as in wey dey thief, and you no be thief. So na so this life be. I make friend with you, I be criminal now, no me say you say na criminal. Everybody get different mind. So the next comment come say precious men, precious, no let hear another story o, because na married men una wey dey GPC dey do vaga. This comment, my people, wetin una think, because so many things person no need to put your mouth. You when talk am, and you dem come dey attack. You know them now. We know as everybody be for this our. But this thing na shame o. Wetin dey romance your godfather for where people full. You when know say you no be person when they hide for party. You be presenter, people know you. So many people know you. Why you can't dey romance this person? Children no dey let person make video, no be small thing. So my people, this thing not good. What this woman do? Na person husband. Secondly, na your boss. Should I say boss or your godmother person? Na be this same person. So go dey touch her for where people dey. You be presenter, people know you. You not supposed to do this kind of thing for party, because you know say everybody dey get enemy. As una take dey fight for social media, but she be not dey fight. Person must dey when go video you come outside. So my wonderful people, I'll leave this one for now. I'm gonna talk about time. And let's go to the next comment. Say, where is Abat? Is this next comment? Say, where is Abat? Oh, Abati, where are you? Come out, may you come talk for this matter. This matter, I tie gele. He tie wrapper. I can't wear cocoa shoe. The cocoa shoe no wear am for head. They can't put am for your head. The next comment say, he say, precious men, you get my sha. Na J-boy papa, you dey enjoy yourself. Emoji of laugh. Well, I no get comment or nothing to say about that comment, because I don't know whether na J-boy papa. Mona no see cost another one come out. A comment when people drop, we dey read though, and we also drop the comments as we dey edit our video. We'll drop the comments. Mona for say we not form the comments by ourselves. Now people drop the comments. Okay, let's go to the next comment. The next comment say precious men and attachment na 5 and 6 show. The man dey use body run. Precious men dey run along. Madam, I must belong by force. Oh, where fashion police. No be small. Emoji of laugh. No be small, my people. So person can't reply her. He say, I am telling you. No be small. Because really, I notice say this man they push body. Make precious men not touch am for the video where I watch. But precious men see they tolerate the man. They touch the man. The man they run. You still they follow am. You leave the man, let her go. As much men not take the respect us, they will say we too cheap. No fish shot. Let's go to the next comment. So our next comment can say, do you think his wife will be happy see this, even all the name of Godfather? I laugh in room 103. Hey, yeah. Really, Mo, let's be sincere with this word. If me, I see my husband, this person say he be my husband goddaughter, una can't go party. Wetin goddaughter they do for my husband back, he go tell me. Because if the woman see her, una not dey take person for fool again. Goddaughter, godfather, wanna take they do the vaga on herself. If the woman see this thing, she will not be happy. E not good. E not good. Person husband go dey touch am for party. E not good. If person do na these things wey una dey do person, sometimes una try sit down like reason this matter. If person do na wetin una dey do person, una go like am. Una go like am, e no good. Eh? Let's take the next comment. So the next comment can say she just dey imagine say how wish na my husband yeye pig. No be small. How you come take know say na wetin the lady dey imagine be that, my beautiful I no wan dey call na name. How you come take know say na wetin the woman wey dey romance this man dey reason for mind be that? Maybe she get another thing wey make am dey romance her, or maybe this man dey provoke, she just dey calm man down. Yes, sometimes dey be like that. Go dey calm the man down, make the man mind for calm down. Fit be say na wetin she reason, so more not just to conclude like that. As a presenter, I know say she go still come and she go still address this matter. She go tell una the main reason why she dey romance this man. Fit be say she dey calm the man down or something else. Okay, my people, let's take the next comment. So the next comment come say, I see nothing wrong on this video. All I see on people face is jealous. You people should stop it. You guys are saying person husband did his wife complain to you so he cannot enjoy just because he's married. After all, is party after party. My dear sister or brother, if you now you did this woman shoe, baba wala wife shoe, say you can't see your husband go party, your husband person come dey romance am, god doctor come dey romance your husband for party, wetin you go feel? You go dey happy because he don marry. You need to do am for people face. Dem no say men, they are all cheater, unless na the one wey him wife use something take tie for inside house. Men dey cheat well. They not say men not they cheat, men they cheat, but you go still do am with respect, not do am for your wife face because you marry, you be man, you can do whatever you like. My dear person when drop this comment, I not take this your comment. I not take am. Let's take the next comment, my. So my people, I dey pause this thing because my boy dey make noise for the background. So let's take the next comment. The next comment say, mommy dog, no be me talk am, una commenters talk am. Say, mommy dog, you no see wetin the other lady wear. Your cloth be like people where they come from farm. I just dey shame for you. You for not go the party if you not get clothes. Commenters wey drop this comment, my people, I will dey put all comments for this things I said before, so that now they see this comment. Commenters when drop this comment, her cloth is okay, I don't see anything wrong with the cloth. Maybe now wetin she feel like to wear, because now bongo you dey, you no need to come dey raise yourself like say you get something before. You know as Nigeria be now, especially that Benin, you know as everywhere take dey hot for that Benin now. Even for far road, people where they go farm, they kidnap them. So for that cloth aspect, me, I'm not in support of that cloth. My viewers wanna drop on a comment. So I not dey in support of that cloth. Say she not dress well, she do like this. I'm not in support. Maybe now wetin she just feel like today simple. Yeah, some people dey like that. If they go party, they'll just feel like, I want to look simple, I don't want they carry like I come for abroad. Maybe now wetin she just feel like, and the cloth wey I see for her body is okay. Now wetin she like, now she dress. So my people, let's take the next comment. My boy dey disturb. My people, let's take the next comment. Oh, this one say, mommy jollof rice sabi romance, so wonderful. No be small. So come be mommy jollof rice again because she be chef. Then make una come dey call her mommy jollof rice. That romance of a thing, we don't know whether she really romance her or she dey try to calm the man down. It can be like that, because if some people they like they vex, if you they calm them down, like they touch their back or touch here, some people mind will come down. So the next comment come say so my people una no vex, that is my baby voice. So the next comment come say precious make shameless amwemba always trying to belong. See who was mocking Lolo now. See what she wore to party. This is called stay at home crowd. She wore to party, forcing herself to Baba Wala. Do maize. They call her do maize. So me, I know as her Papa Wala. So precious maybe they laugh Lolo. Person dress at not me say maybe the person not sabi dress or the person not know get cloth to wear. Now wetin that person just wish to wear na e wear, no be say person no know how to dress or one thing. She just come expose herself, and the person wey video this video I twale for now, not too much. So let's take the next comment, my people. So the next comment say child GPC na wow, another woman me dey sweet una abi na cause o. So let's take the next comment. My people, the next comment say where Mila King Edo social media police, she will not talk now. See Nash be like 50. The next comment say see Nash be like 15 naira. Precious Meg, you know senior this your godfather so. The next comment can say man, I salute your courage. Oh. This is just too much. The next comment can say make una no fight to show. So my wonderful people, let's go and edit this video. We'll for put all the whole comments when we read for now. Una see the comments. Una need to see this comment. Una need to see about yourself with una eyes. These people, they finish Precious Meg. They finish her for the comment section. So me, I dey like to go through comment section well. Even when I go people video, I just watch small, I will pause. I like to go to the comment section because comment section dey sweet well. Now no if you understand, it is sweet. So my people, this is the end of today's episode of Commenter Analyzer TV. So my wonderful people, if una know say una never subscribe to Commenters Analyzer TV, please comment, subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever we post our video, una go receive our video. Now, so thank you everyone for your love, your support. God bless you. I love you all. Please, in case una dey hear voice for the background, una know say na my baby boo. Now they make noise. So what to do? I be person mama. God bless you now, my amazing people. Bye.